welcome back to 99 Dreams. I've got a cool feature to show today, something we just merged, does insights on the files you upload and actually provides context for the rest of your solution. So in this use case, I'm actually going to generate sample data for Zoho for their CRM, which many people use. Um, we're doing this just so we can actually do the next demo for 99 Dreams, which is to show integrations via API with things like Zoho and merging that with data from HubSpot and other CRMs. So I'm just going to drag and drop their sample file and automatically see we pop open our new analysis insights dialog. And this is actually going to talk to AI and it's figuring out the schema of the data and the shape of the data. So these are all the columns in the spreadsheet and it explains it. So if I save this as context now, it'll actually provide better results. And tools like ChatGPT and Claude have a version of this, but it's not automatic like this, and it won't immediately lead to a solution like this is going to. So whenever I saved that, it attached the file. It also popped up a solution idea. So this is also another improvement. We're stringing these features together to make things easier for Dream users. So it knows my profile that I filled out in Dream, and also now we have the stored context from that file that I uploaded. So I can get solution ideas that are specified to exactly those things, and I could use those and I can keep creating more and more. And I know exactly what I want, so I'm not going to use those. I'm just going to ask it to create 100 rows of sample data for US customers following this schema. That's exactly what I want today. I just want to generate actual realistic data that we can use in Zoho and import that, because then once that's imported, we can use the API to pull that data back into Dream. So let's see what we get. This should be super straightforward and simple. I realized that I didn't ask it to add an export feature so I can actually download the CSV. So I'm going to follow up with this. And as that's loading up, cool. All right, I love it. I love when it thinks for me. It already has the export to CSV button because it was going to guess that I was going to do that. So this is great. This is exactly the format of data that I needed, and these look realistic enough. This is awesome. I'm just going to export to CSV, and I'm going to save it, and I'm validating on the side. Yep, that's exactly what I wanted. So super easy Dream today, but that's a utility function I think all of us could use depending on what applications we're using and things like that. So hopefully you enjoy this. We're going to fast follow with the next one where we use the Zoho CRM data. See you in a minute.